welcome to our very first Python follow-along video. I am Mayfly.
And I am CB403.
Now let's get started.
So today we're going to be working on a Python calculator.
Yes, and the software or program or website we are using is Replit.com. Okay. And through this, we can easily collaborate without installing anything. Okay, so let's get started. First, I will import some basic things such as OS, system, and time. Okay, so what OS will let us do, or why we are using it, is so we can clear the screen. And time will let us make some delays. Actually, we don't need system. The first thing we will do is make the first number, num1, an input, and this will be our first number. Enter number 1. And CB9403 will work on the second one.
Let's just make it enter. Oh, whoops.
No, it's fine.
I was just going to put an enter first number.
Okay.
For second.
Okay. Now, it would be nice if we added a little delay before we printed the answer. So time.sleep. 1 second.
Do we need to add the indent for the inputs?
No, we don't need to. So then we are going to need to add them. So it's going to print, let's say, do you want it so it prints every result, or do you want to ask if you want to divide, multiply, or ask for that stuff?
Are we trying to make it look nice? Or
yeah, let's make it look nice.
Okay. Then we can have each individual one.
Okay. Okay, I will work on the if statement. If bar equals, let's say, plus, it's going to print, let's see, it's going to print num1 plus num2. This will print, well, these two inputs. And so we don't get an error, we need to make this an integer because it'll be like adding 2 sentences, which is impossible, I think.
Yeah, we tried it before, remember?
Yeah, didn't work. Now I'll work on the multiplying. Okay, as always, print int num1 times int num2. Yes, CB, you can work on the divide. I'm going to make it print the answer. And you know how I said we were going to import the OS to clear the screen? This is how it's done. os.system. And if you're using Windows to do this, like if you're not using Replit, you are going to do CLS. This is for Windows, of course, but we are not using Windows, and Replit runs on Linux, so we will have to do clear. Now, time to print. Oh, we don't need to. Oh, sorry. I was trying to print the result when we already made do that here. I'm going to copy this and put it in here so it's a little nicer. Oh, some error code.
Don't we need to input clear? Oh no, that's OS.
Yeah, OSS system not clear. And while I struggle to do that, which is, oh, dang it, I accidentally copied nothing.
You realize we can make it a lot easier, right?
Yeah,
We do it before it all.
yeah,
Here, right?
yeah.
Can I? Sure, I'll make it a lot simpler.
Okay. I'm gonna edit out that.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now let's run the code. Run, enter the first number. You can enter the first number.
I guess we could just go with 7.
And the second will be 10. Okay,
Add
how
the
about add?
colon just so it's better. I guess we'll do plus.
Okay, and there is another thing. Let's say you wanted to divide those. Here's what would happen. If you want to divide in Python, where's it? We are using an int right here, which means it'll be a whole number. It can't be a decimal, which we all know. Oh, I did something, which we all know. 7 divided by 10 divided by 7 is not a whole number. It's going to be this. So if you want it to make more sense, you could change this to float.
Does that round it?
No, it basically makes it a decimal and it's easier. But it already prints a decimal, so we're not going to bother ourselves with that. So now we can trying to make a calculator in least amount of code we can.
So you don't have to do this part.
You don't have to do this. We just want to try doing it.
Is there really a point in deleting it?
I don't want to delete it. How about we just make it comment all of it out?
I don't think we need to import time in OS.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm going to make another Python file called speed.py. Okay. Do you see it on your screen?
No.
You might have to refresh, but I'll get started.
Oh, is that going to be the calculator but faster?
Yeah.
Are we going to run it in the shell?
Yeah, we're going to have to run it in the shell. Or if you're using Windows, it'll be the same command in your command prompt. It's not on Linux.
This is a num2. I'm changing this. So
yeah, this is going to be speed. And remember, since we're going to do it quickly, it's not going to look nice.
This will be num2.
Oh, instead of doing that, how about just prints out all the possible answers instead of asking which yeah.
We don't have to have that.
No, sorry. Okay.
Input.
Okay. So then we're going to print.
I'm going to make this simpler and make it N2 and N1.
Yeah. Int N1 plus int N2, and then you don't need to make another line actually.
What do you mean?
Like we can just do it like this. You know what I mean? Like,
Oh,
yeah. Yeah, so this is a very ugly way to do it, but it gets the job done.
yep.
Once I'm done writing this code, since it's so dirty, I'm probably going to wash my hands. Yeah. Okay. So you can do the, what is it called again?
Oh.
Oh, why did I do that? I'm supposed to multiply.
You need to run the second one. I forget what the command in shell is.
Oh, we're not done. We still have the plus, minus, multiply, and we just need divide now. Yeah, I'll work on that.
So
And
far,
one,
3 lines of code.
this is even shorter than we anticipated.
We were
Thought
like, us thinking like, oh, it's gonna take at least 7.
yeah. Okay. Since when we try to run it in shell, it's not going to show on both screens, so the people are only going to see it on my screen.
Okay, but what's the command anyways?
You just type in Python speed.py. Python space speed.py. Okay.
Speed.py.
And when you run it, this is what you should get. Number 1, and I'm going to type it.
I put
Number
10.
2, 5. That does not look good, but
Bro.
it's the answer.
It works.
Yep, it works.
Do you think we can make it so it was like, so it like specifies?
Oh yeah, you can easily do that. Yeah, I just have to add more text, which is really annoying. But I'm going to show you how to do it for I'm going to show how to do it for one of them, and then people will get the memo and we won't have to do it for the rest.
Well, it's not gonna take that long. Let's just do it for plus.
Yeah, I'll just do this. Plus is going to be, and then you see, it's going to print plus.
It makes it look like minus, so I'm gonna do a colon.
Yeah, and you can do this for the rest, but actually, why not?
Minus.
Okay, I'm going to do multiplication.
Wait, that's right. Okay, wait. So is there a space? No, there's not. Okay, where's division? I feel like I spelled that.
Oh, and when it bends over, it's technically still one line, even though it looks like 4.
I know. Well, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It looks like 8 lines.
Yeah. Okay, are you done writing it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it again.
Python speed dot py.
Ooh, I did something weird.
20.
Stop, clear.
15. Oh. What happened? Oh. That's what happened. Okay.
Okay, clear screen.
Some of them are just placed on the wrong side.
Oh, okay. Let's just see. They didn't even know how it looks like yet because I had a problem.
What was it?
Okay, number 1. It wasn't with the code, it's just the shell.
Okay,
Number
wait.
1, 6, number 2, 2, plus 8 minus 4 multiplication,
Okay,
12 division, 3
I
point.
I fixed it all, so now it should work completely.
Okay, you fixed it.
Number 1, 2054. 495.
Number
Plus.
1.
There's just something weird with the plus. It's like the minus, multiplication, and division all
Yeah,
have
I don't
this.
know why. Even when I was making my game, which is not going to be on the video, I don't know why it also did that too. Like it indented it,
What if I
which
just
is really
add?
strange.
Okay, I indented it. Now I'm gonna try it out.
Yeah, that might look nicer. I would probably never came up with that idea.
Okay, yes, indenting it works. So I'm just gonna do that for everything.
Yep, that looks the best.
Okay, wait, let me try it with Python speed.py. Oh, it's beautiful.
Okay, I'm just gonna show them one
Ow.
last time.
What the heck happened?
Oh, what do you mean?
The number thing. Okay, I fixed it now. Okay, so this should be final.
Okay, final. 'Cause I don't want to
Python
keep clearing the screen.
speed.py.
Number
Okay,
1, 4,
done.
number 2, 4.
It works.
There. Okay, time for the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And
Adios.
yeah, and before we leave, stay tuned for another video if we ever make one. Bye.